Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to set up email forwarding in Outlook web version. So I'm going to show you in web version how you can set the forward setting or forward, how you can make the setting for forward emails in Outlook web version. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start the video. Before we starting, I request people like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So first open your web version Outlook here, and just click on this gear icon and just come to the very bottom and find out the view all setting. Just tap on it, so the your all web setting will be open. Now here in email section, just click on email and you will see the option called forwarding. Just click on it. So unable to load this setting, please try again. So let me check it. Okay, after clicking forward, you will see the option called you can forward your email to another account. Just click on it. Now here you have to enter the email ID, in which email ID you want to want to forward. So just type the email ID here, in which email you want to forward, and you can keep the copy of forward emails in this email box. So it is for safety. And now just click on save. Then when you receive any email, it will be forward to this email. Okay, just click on save. So I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.